Welcome back to my channel. Snowstorm be like in Norway. I live in a climate with real winter. Snow is routine here in Norway, and our infrastructures and our town government officials are the one who handle and manage snow removal. If I'm at home, snowstorms are comfortable. The furnace keeps our house at a comfortable temperature, but we usually choose a hot meal and peek out of the windows to see how it's going. Snowplows make a deep, rumbling sound, but it's reassuring because we could go somewhere if we wanted to go. We might watch a movie, or if there's a lot of snow, we go out and go sledding. Our car is covered with snow. Yes, he's cleaning the car. Sumia. Our neighbors. Yeah. My husband. The children are having fun playing with the snow. If we are walking, snow can be either magical or miserable. We have a great winter jacket that is suitable to the winter season, and it's pretty cool and comfortable. Walking shortly after the snow falling is magical. Walking while it's sleeting is just miserable though. Snowstorms are just part of our lives here during winter. I'm having fun in skiing. For all-round winter experience, you can't beat skiing in Norway, home to more gold medals at the Winter Olympics than any other nations. It's no surprise that skiing is a way of life here. Great for the beginners, and there are heaps of wide, quiet slopes and reliable snow cover. Cozy log cabins are dotted among sugar-dusted forests, and there are plenty of excellent off-slope activities. Guys, this video is not sponsored by anyone. I'm just sharing my online business.
Uy, kayo pala yan. May tanong ako sa inyo, guys. Madalas ba kayong online? Naubos na ba ang data mo kaka-Facebook, Instagram, at YouTube? Good news, guys, dahil pwede na kayong magkanegosyo gamit lang ang cellphone at laptop nyo. Paano? Simple lang, mag-online business ka na. Yung food cart na madalas nakikita mo sa LRT, MRT sa labas ng school, o kaya naman sa office, online negosyo na rin ngayon. You heard it right, guys! Ito ang SIOMAI online franchise business. Madali lang ito i-operate kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Paano? First, you have to be a SIOMAI online franchisee. Once official franchisee ka na ng SIOMAI, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong SHOPLINK na pwede mong i-share sa iyong friends, relatives, customers, online. Pero ang tanong, paano nga ba ito i-operate? You just need to share and post your SHOPLINK online at SIOMAI na ang bahala na mag-process ng orders mo, mag-book ng delivery, at mag-process ng commission mo. Lahat yan, guys, ay online. Kaya naman kung kayo ay interested sa online negosyo na to, mag-comment lang kayo down below. Paano, guys? Kita-kits sa susunod. Bye!
Available at my shop links below. Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!